Alright, you guys want to go down there? Let's go. Alright, he's gonna fire it. Look. Look. Whoa. Let's go. Wait, you can't run, Omi. Walk carefully. One step at a time, sweetie. Oh, same.
Funny, I told Chloe I need her help and she...
Ian, you're gonna get launched onto a rocket.
Ready? Want to shoot that one?
Let's see it, guys. Come on, guys, come here. Right here, right here. Wait. You don't want to go out there. That's where he's gonna shoot it. Whoa! Wait, you can build a rocket and shoot it? Dude, they let you build. Ian, you want to build a rocket?
Yeah.
He wants to build a rocket. Come on, let's go build a rocket. Come on.